Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix iPhone rear camera stuck on black screen. So guys, without waste your time, let's start this video. If your iPhone camera is stuck on black screen, try these troubleshooting steps to fix this issue. Number one is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the issue. Tap on the settings. Tap on general, little bit scroll up to find shutdown, dragging the slider to right side and wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is completely shut down, turn it on back your iPhone and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, applying the solution number two. Solution number two is check for software update. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS versions, and updates often include bug fixes and improvements. Tap on settings. Little bit scroll up to find general. Tap on software update. If update is pending or available, simply download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, applying the solution number three. Solution number three is reset iPhone settings. Tap on settings. Tap on general. Little bit scroll up. Transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. Reset all settings to confirm and wait some seconds. When your iPhone setting is completely reset, your problem is fixed. If solution number three is not working, applying this solution number four. Solution number four is clean the camera app. Lens, dirt and dubs or fingerprint might causes camera issues. Gently clean the lens with a soft cloth. Clean camera lens or remove case and fix your problem. If solution number 4 is not working, applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is check for physical damage. If your iPhone has dropped or damaged, the camera might be physically damaged. Visit the nearest Apple store or authorized dealer, repair the camera app and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying this solution number 6. Solution number 6 is backup and restore your iPhone. Simply tap on settings. Tap on general, little bit scroll up to find transfer or reset. Erase all content and settings. Erase your iPhone and backup your iPhone and fix your set up your new iPhone and fix your problem. If solution number 7 is not working, applying the solution number 8. Solution number 8 is check for water damage. If your iPhone has been exposed to water, the camera might be damaged. Contact Apple Support or visit an Apple store and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, using the volume up button to take a photo. If the shutter button is unresponsive, close other resources, apps and fix your problem. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone rear camera stuck on black screen. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.